In today's fast evolving workplace, employee management, feedback, and performance development are key drivers of organizational success. Culture Amp is a leading employee experience platform designed to help companies gather insights, improve workplace culture, and enhance employee growth through powerful surveys, feedback tools, and analytics. With a data driven approach, Culture Amp allows HR teams, managers, and business leaders to measure employee sentiment, identify areas for improvement, and foster a high performance work environment. Whether you're looking to conduct engagement surveys, build development plans, or track employee performance, Culture Amp provides intuitive tools to help businesses create a more motivated and engaged workforce. In this video, we will explore Culture Amp's key features, benefits, and why it's an essential tool for modern organizations. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the employee engagement and pulse surveys. Culture Amp offers customizable engagement surveys that help organizations gather real time feedback from employees. HR teams can use pre built templates or create their own to track key metrics like employee satisfaction, workplace culture, and leadership effectiveness. This provides actionable insights into employee sentiment, helping businesses boost engagement and retention rates by addressing concerns before they escalate. Another key feature is the 360-degree feedback and performance reviews. The platform supports 360-degree feedback, allowing employees to receive structured input from peers, managers, and direct reports. It also streamlines performance reviews, ensuring they are efficient, fair, and development focused. This encourages a culture of continuous feedback, helping employees understand their strengths, areas for improvement, and career development opportunities. Another key feature is the AI driven insights and benchmarking. Culture Amp provides AI powered analytics and benchmarking tools that compare employee engagement scores against industry standards. Organizations can identify trends, weak points, and opportunities for growth using advanced data visualization tools. This helps HR leaders make data driven decisions, ensuring that employee experience initiatives are effective and aligned with industry best practices. Another key feature is the individual development plans and coaching tools. Culture Amp supports employee growth and learning through personalized development plans. Managers can set goal oriented coaching sessions, track progress, and provide ongoing support to help employees advance in their careers. This empowers employees with clear career paths, leading to higher engagement, skill development, and long term retention. Another key feature is the DEI or diversity, equity, and inclusion analytics. The platform includes DEI focused surveys and analytics, enabling companies to assess and improve diversity and inclusion initiatives. Organizations can track workplace fairness, representation, and belonging to create a more inclusive culture. This supports data backed DEI strategies, helping businesses create equitable workplaces that attract and retain diverse talent. So, why is Culture Amp a great choice? Culture Amp stands out as a comprehensive and user friendly employee experience platform that empowers organizations to build a thriving workplace culture. Unlike traditional HR tools that focus solely on performance management, Culture Amp integrates engagement, feedback, development, and analytics into one platform, making it an all in one solution for improving employee satisfaction and productivity. With its science backed surveys, AI driven insights, and personalized development tools, Culture Amp helps companies proactively address workplace challenges and create an environment where employees feel heard, valued, and motivated. The platform's intuitive interface and action oriented recommendations make it easy for HR teams and managers to implement meaningful change, fostering a culture of continuous learning, inclusion, and high performance. For businesses looking to improve employee engagement, retain top talent, and build a high performance work environment, Culture Amp offers the tools and insights needed to drive real impact. So basically, Culture Amp is a powerful employee engagement and development platform that helps organizations collect feedback, measure sentiment, and take action to improve workplace culture. Whether you want to increase employee retention, conduct meaningful performance reviews, or implement DEI strategies, Culture Amp provides the insights and tools to make it happen. So, if you're looking for a data driven approach to improving your workforce experience, Culture Amp is an excellent solution. So, start using Culture Amp today and transform the way your company engages and develops employees. So if you need more information about Culture Amp, you can always visit their website, which is cultureamp.com. And from here in their website, you will see a bunch of different information, such as features that I haven't mentioned. And most importantly is the information for their pricing. So as you can see right here, just click on pricing. You will see a page that looks like this. And to see a pricing, you will need to request a code. So they have four different pricing or plans right here, which has different plan features and that is included. So simply request a code to request for the pricing and you're good to go. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.